Assalamualaikum everyone, this is me Kainat Baloch and welcome to my channel. So, you must already have seen the title that in this video I am about to discuss the power and the value of time. Okay, I don't know how much time you have wasted in your past, but I'm sure that after listening to this video, because I'm going to make you all understand through one incredible, commendable and wonderful story. So there was a boy named Jake. He lived in a village far away from city, okay? And after that, he lived with his parents, little brother and grandfather. His grandfather was intelligent, super talented and wise and honest man. So the people from village used to come to him. Do you know why? Because of advice. Because they used to think that he's the best man and he's going to advise us in such a greatest strategy. So people from village used to, go to the grandpa. So in this way, Jake had a big problem. The problem was this, that he was so lazy. Yeah, he was very much lazy. He ever and ever used to postpone the tasks. Okay, he wanted ever to avoid himself from important work, from important tasks. So, if he had to do work today, he used to push it to tomorrow. And if he had to do work tomorrow, he delayed it to next day. So, in this way, work started getting piled up. Work was increasing. So, that's why even in school also, it was same in school. No matter how much his father scolded him. Of course, his father scolded him so much because of his non-seriousness, because of his wasting of time, because of not focusing on studies. He was just like lazy kind of boy. So, in this way, his father asked Jake's grandfather to help him. And after that, grandfather started thinking that how to take out this bad habit from Jake. And one day, finally, he come up with super duper idea. He come up with one amazing idea. He called Jake and said to him that I have one black stone and now I am going to give it to you. And he had given that stone to Jake and said Jake to keep it to yourself. And after that, his grandfather also said that this is not just ordinary rock, okay, this is a special magic stone. And then he said, his grandfather said to him that if you rub it against iron, it will give you a lot of gold. You can make a lot of gold if you are going to rub it again against the iron. So Jake became very happy. He was so excited to hear this kind of words from his grandpa. And after that, his grandfather said to him that this would be to you for until tomorrow evening. I'm going to be away from it for one day. Okay, his father had given him the time of just one day. His father said to him that become rich as much as you want to become. This is a stone and this is yourself. I am going to see what are you doing in a day. And after that, his grandfather went out from there, and Jake started dreaming that I will be rich, I will be this, I'm going to buy a lot of things for eating, I'm going to be, I'm going to keep a greatest personality now. So he started thinking about that. And then he suddenly thought, now where should I find iron? Because without that, he will never make gold, right? So he thought about that. So after that, he said that I still have a lot of time. So here, the boy is exposing and appearing his laziness. What he said? He said that I have still a lot of time. I can do this tomorrow. So he, after thinking this, he ate, dinner and he just slept. After sleeping, he started dreaming of being rich. And at morning, as he woke up in the morning, he ate breakfast. And after eating breakfast, he again started feeling sleepy and groggy little. And he again slept. And then when he woke up, it was very evening. yeah, Sun almost was, sitting. He seen that Sun almost was sitting, and that's why he just jumped out from the bed and went to the market. But before that, when he opened the door, he already got his grandfather. He was standing already there. And then grandfather just wanted, he just took that stone from Jake and said to him that you had got 24 hours. If you wanted to, make gold, you could make, but you hadn't done anything like that, right? So Jake started crying, and he was just like begging to his grandfather, and grandfather was not listening him because he just wanted to make him understand this thing. And then Jake stood there with his down head, and he realized the value of time. He realized that after today he is not going to waste a single minute of his life. And then he also realized, especially how he realized from that lesson that was a great opportunity. As it is, I am also trying to make you all understand this thing, that we have a lot of opportunities. Even this time is opportunity. This whole life is opportunity for us. Like a grandfather had given one golden chance to Jake. As it is, God has given one golden life. It is one kind of opportunity. Okay, here we have both kind of deeds, negative and positive. Now it depends on ourselves what we are doing. We should perform such greatest actions so that when the day come, when the day of judgment come, we can show our good deeds, right? So that's why don't waste time. And if you waste time, I already told you, then time will waste you. So value the time. Time is powerful. It can kill you anytime if you are killing it right now. Okay? So thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks.